What's up, guys? Charles here. The CH160 Plus is the latest addition to DeepCool's compact case lineup, designed for builders seeking a balance between small size and expanded hardware support. With a 21-liter internal volume, it supports Micro-ATX motherboards and high-performance graphics cards measuring up to 342 millimeters, 328 millimeters with a front fan installed. ATX power supplies up to 140 millimeters are supported, and storage options allow for either one 3.5-inch and one 2.5-inch drive, or two 2.5-inch drives, without blocking cooling hardware. Cooling compatibility is a strong point for the CH160 Plus. It provides clearance for CPU air coolers up to 164 millimeters tall and offers space for a 240 millimeter radiator on the top panel. Mesh panels on three sides ensure airflow, with 4 fan mounts available. Users opting for an SFX PSU can install a 140 millimeter fan at the front for added cooling flexibility. The case features a built-in handle for portability and is compatible with the optional case-free carrying bag. On the front I/O panel, users will find 2 USB 3.0 ports, a Gen 2 Type-C port, and a hybrid audio jack. The CH160 Plus is available in black for $49.99 and white for $54.99, both backed by a 1-year warranty. That's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video.